In this video, I'm going to be explaining why your Instagram Reels may not be getting that many views. Reels is a relatively new thing to the Instagram platform, and lots of people are taking advantage of Instagram Reels to get a whole bunch of free organic views on their content. Now, some creators complain that they're not getting many views on their Reels videos, and there could be a couple of explanations why. So the first reason and the most common reason is that you are using a TikTok video that you made for TikTok, and then what you've done is you've downloaded the video and then just uploaded it to Instagram Reels. Now, Instagram recently made an update where they basically shadow ban the content that uses the TikTok watermark in their videos on the Reels platform. So they're going to reduce the reach of those specific videos, and you're not going to be getting many views if you go ahead and just take a video straight from TikTok, even though you made it yourself and uploaded it onto Reels, because it's going to have that TikTok watermark. Now, you can get rid of the TikTok watermark, but if you have created the video yourself, chances are that you have the original file of that video, so you can basically just upload the original onto Instagram Reels, and then you should be getting much more views if you go ahead and get rid of any third-party app watermarks, because TikTok is a direct competitor with Instagram Reels, so they don't want any TikTok content on the platform. Now, another reason why you may not be getting any views on your Instagram Reels is because you're creating content that doesn't resonate with the audience, or it's not really suitable for the Instagram Reels platform. It could have a low retention rate or a low engagement rate, meaning people aren't liking the post or commenting on it or sharing it. That can also reduce your reach of your reel. So you always want to make sure that you're creating the best content that you can. And another reason why it could be not getting many views is because it doesn't appeal to a broad enough audience. So not many people are going to be interested in the content. So you always want to do your niche research when you're doing Instagram Reels, and you want to create content that fits within the ecosystem of the Instagram Reels platform, because it does differ quite a lot from the regular content on Instagram. But most likely, if you just get rid of that TikTok watermark in your Instagram Reels, you will see an increase in the amount of views that you get on your Instagram Reels videos. So I hope this cleared it up for you. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.